Hi, everybody. So this is the next book I'm going to read um, to everybody. It's called Getting My Temperature Taken. So every day when we enter school, we're going to get our temperature taken. So I know most of you have probably mommy and daddy, grandma, grandpa has taken your temperature. So here is what we're going to use. So it's not the one that we put under our tongue or in our ear. This is a different one. So I'm going to show you it. So it looks like this. And see, it has, oops, sorry, little, where am I going? Where's the camera? Okay, little numbers. So what we're going to do, they're going to hold it like this, and then it reads what your temperature is. So it's not going to touch your head. It's just going to be a little bit away from you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to read you a story on getting your temperature taken at school. So I know it might look a little scary, but it's not. Okay, see? And then we press the button. Oops, sorry, didn't turn it on. Let's try that again. So we're gonna press the button, wait until it beeps, and then it will read your temperature, okay? And it's green, so I'm okay. So getting my temperature taken. There are times when I need to get my temperature taken. Usually a temperature is taken if I'm sick. There are different ways to take a temperature. There's what's called the gun that we have. One goes in your mouth and one goes in your bottom. Sometimes a temperature is taken without touching me. The thermometer is held in front of my face, like this. Other times the thermometer touches me and moves across my forehead. Another way to measure my temperature is by putting the thermometer into my tongue. It usually goes under my tongue. So that's another way. I should try to stay still when adults take my temperature.
That's a teacher?
Yes.
Why?
If I have a high temperature, I might need to take some medicine and get some rest. It is important to take my temperature. It is important to get my temperature taken sometimes. I will get used to it. Santino, would you like to show mommy's students how you get your temperature taken?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Woo!
I want.
Okay. You want to take my temperature?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Oh, thank you. Okay, your turn. Ready? You're all good. Good job.
Okay, Dad.
And that's how you get your temperature taken.
Dad.
Say bye.
Bye.